Is your Snapchat account compromised? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. Snapchat usually takes this step to protect your account from suspicious activity. But if you reach out to them quickly, you can recover your account in no time. Let's learn how to do that. You will need to go to Snapchat support. First, open a browser. I'll be using Chrome. Then type Snapchat support and search. Open the first link that opens up. This is the official Snapchat support website. Now in the shortcuts menu, tap on My account is compromised. After that, you will be redirected to the Submit Request panel. In here, type your username, your email address associated with your Snapchat account. Don't add any other email, otherwise Snapchat team will not recognize you. And add your mobile number associated with your Snapchat account. Then in the description box, write about your problem. Like for example, dear Snapchat team, my Snapchat is giving me an error message saying my account is compromised. I have always followed the rules set by Snapchat, so I don't know why that happened. Please help me get back to my account. After that, hit the submit button. Now Snapchat team will contact you in the next 48 to 72 hours via email or phone number. Just be patient and hopefully you'll get rid of this error for good. Here's how to fix the Snapchat account compromised error on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.